Hello everyone, I thought I'd try something a bit different. I'm throwing in a video in the middle of the advert so you could see and I could have a talk about what you're actually buying. This is it, it's the Franklin Woodburner. We've had it about 10-15 years, I'm not too sure. Bought it many moons ago for about £500 or something along those lines. Missing glass, as you can see. Also, quite a few years back, all the internal plates and bricks burnt out. However, we've been using it as is, just as a firebox for the past 3 or 4 years, easily, and with no problems at all. There's no cracks to the casting or anything, and it seems to be in good order, all told. I did notice here and there it's lifted slightly, so that needs taking off and screwing back down again. It's on 3 legs, so it's pretty stable wherever you put it, and the floor in here is very unstable, so it needs some TLC, and you've got yourself a nice fire. Ideal for a workshop or something along those lines. Jesus, the air shutters, oh that one slides. That one feels like it's going to. So does that one. That one feels stiff. WD-40, you'd be unscrewing them, giving them a clean down, getting them working again. But it's good casting. Anyway, happy bidding, thank you very much for watching.